Hey everybody, what's going on? Sean here with the Zero to Income Directory Websites channel. So, what we want to do today is go through and activate our VIP add-ons. Okay, so here's the deal. In a previous video, I showed you how to set up and configure SSL for a Brilliant Directories website using free methods. Okay, and if you don't want to check out that video, it's actually on the main channel, and you can check that out above. But here's the deal: when you're setting up SSL using these free methods, it only works for 90 days. All right, the certificate is only valid for 90 days. And what that means, and they recommend actually every 60 days, you have to go and redo the whole process every 2 months. And that's kind of annoying. So Dana is a huge fan of this VIP add-on pack, and it just gives you everything you need to just plug and play your Brilliant Directories website, add features that are just going to really enhance the site. And part of this VIP add-on pack is this managed SSL certificate, which allows you to configure it, and then you're done. You don't have to ever touch it again. All right, it's all managed by Brilliant Directories. So we purchased the VIP add-on pack, and I haven't activated it. And so what I wanted to do with this video is walk through the actual activation and see what that looks like. What does it look like once it's activated in our dashboard? So let's go on over to Brilliant Directories and check it out. All right. So as you can tell right here, activate add-ons. Okay, this was not there before we purchased the VIP add-on pack. And again, Dana and I were, here at Zero to Income, we are affiliates for Brilliant Directories. If you'd like to use our affiliate code, we'll have that in the description. And if you use the coupon code Zero to Income, all caps, that's going to give you 30% off. Okay, and that even works on when they're running sales. Okay. So, and that works on everything. If you just decide I'm going to purchase the SSL certificate add-on just by itself, which is like $10 a month, the coupon code works for that. If you decide you want the VIP pack, which is like $95 a month, you can use the code for that, and it'll work for that. So, that being said, we've got it now. Let's go ahead and let's click on Activate Add-ons and see what happens. Okay. Boom, pending activation. All right, assigned to a website. Here we got our lifetime plan. Let's just use this drop down, see if you had multiple websites. And you can have multiple websites with Brilliant Directories. You can add, if you go to the Brilliant Directories pricing, you can purchase just a one site deal, or you can have a package with 3 sites or a package with 5 sites. And so you can have multiple sites in your dashboard if you're running multiple directory websites. Right now we have a lifetime plan with CanadianVacations.com. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just click to activate product, and we got some little magic going on here. It's initializing the request, and it's starting to build. All right, drum roll please. Installing add-on. What's interesting is there's a whole bunch of add-ons actually, and so as I look at this, I'm thinking, is it activating all the add-ons, and how does that work? So standby to launch. Got all kinds of, fidget spinners and Pac-Man. I like that. There's a Pac-Man. I don't know how many of you would recognize that or not. I guess it just depends on when you were born. But that there looks like Pac-Man to me. Pretty cool. Now I'm waiting for Donkey Kong, a Donkey Kong deal come along. So we got some gears going, ready, set, go. Activation has been complete. And then we'll say, okay, close window. So there we go. We have our VIP plugin pack has been installed, has been activated. Here's the thing that I'm kind of wondering. I was kind of waiting to see if the, what's I'm looking for, dashboard was any different, if there'd be like specific places where I would go for each little plugin, but I'm not really seeing anything. Get started videos, more options. What do we got over here? Create a support ticket. Cool. Hit refer friends and earn 50%. Cool. And then here, if we want to view our active site, so here's all the different plugins that we get. All right. And the main thing that we wanted at this time was this managed SSL. This is what I'm going to be working on next, but I'm not going to worry about that with this particular video. Um, so what we'll do next is we'll go in the next video, and we'll actually see what we got to do to configure the managed SSL. And again, it shouldn't take too much. I'm wondering if it's going to require a support ticket or not, but we'll see. But there's our dashboard. Yeah, there's our plugins. We're done. Let me see here. Launch new website. Manage website. Let's go to manage website. I wonder if that's going to be the, yeah, it's the account dashboard. So our add-ons have been um, activated, so we don't have that button anymore. We've got a website alert up here. Let's see what that is, huh? Okay, we can set up a Google reCAPTCHA if we wanted to. Okay, so learn how to set that up. I'm just going to get out of that for right now. So we'll go through that on another video as well. All right, so that's what we got right now on our VIP add-ons pack. I'm not really seeing anything jumping out at me that's showing, hey, these are your plugins type of thing. So menu manager, sidebar manager, manage posts. Yeah. So what we'll do next video is set up that managed SSL, and that's it for now, everybody. Thanks for watching.